In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove your PSN account from another PS5. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. And if you're looking for discounts on PS5 games and accessories, you can check out the links in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first, you open up any browser and search for PlayStation. Then go to the PlayStation's official website. And then once you're on the PlayStation website, here in the top right side you will see a sign in option. So it's not showing me for me because I have already signed in, so you will need to sign in with your account. And after signing in, click on your profile picture, then here click on account settings. Then here in account settings, click on security, then click on continue. Then wait for it to load, and here go down and you will see here sign out on all devices. You have to click on it and then click on OK. And after you click on OK, you will be signed out of apps and services on all devices that you have signed in with this account. So you have to click on it and you will be signed out of any other devices or services where you have signed in. So this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching.